the idea is that the model builds connections between these different conversations that you had with him in the past. So everything is stored, and the model is bridging connections and linking the dots and establishing patterns between elements within these conversations. So the model stores and memorizes these conversations, and it starts building connections and bridging the dots and establishing patterns between like everything which has been said and mentioned and discussed along these conversations. Of course, this raises some privacy questions, which we can discuss in a separate session. But now I'm just trying to explain that actually that's part of the process through which the model builds the profile of a certain person. So in dealing with ChatGPT, with the AI model, you're talking about different topics. For instance, I'm talking about my courses at the university. I'm talking about my consulting or consultancy projects. I'm talking about my startups projects, investment projects. I'm talking about artistic projects, and maybe some personal topics, my trips, my preferences, etc. Also my health. I'm seeking advice from ChatGPT, and all these different conversations or these different silos. And you might think as a user that these are actually different silos, but it's not, because ChatGPT bridges the connections between the professional conversations with the personal conversations, with the health-related conversations, with the passions-related conversations, also maybe some family-related conversations, etc. And that's the way it draws comprehensive and transparent profile of who you are, and that helps the model better understand who you are. And so it's a question of time so that the model reaches a very high level understanding of who you are as a user, who you are as a person. And you will see that with time, the quality of the responses that you receive from ChatGPT improves as it starts and becomes better at establishing connections between all the different conversations that you have had with the model over the past period of time.